Hey, what's up? So, I've been messing with this thing the past few days, and I'm still under the opinion that it's just not good. Like, it'll probably be fun once you dump another $300, $400, $500 into it. Like, ugh. But this happened now. So we got its Spectrum remote. It's got this on the back for its power button. You know, push it in. Okay, right? Push it. So, are you gonna stay on? It'd be nice if you stayed on. Come on. Anytime. Nope. We'll hold it. Hold. Nope. The only way it's working now, let's grab something, is if I jam it in there and twist it to the side. Like that. See how it's not a push button, it's like a push in and click. That's the only way it's staying on now. If I move that over, like so it pops out, like that. Holy shit, it stayed on! What the hell? This thing is fucked. Yeah. So when it actually pops back out to its normal position, it doesn't stay on. It got stuck there again. Yep. Yeah, see, it just keeps clicking off. Like, it's got some serious issues. Like, is it the type of switch where it has to... What the hell is going on with this thing now? So it's cockeyed right now. And yep, it's off. You can hear it binding. Like, woo! There we go. Yeah, it's sitting funny. Yep, see, you just touched it. Wow, Axial. What have you done? Yep, look at that. On, tap the remote, off. What a pile of shit. Like, what is it? So, with this thing, I have to, like, push it in there and then pull it down in the hole. That's so brutal. Okay, it's on now. But only because it's jammed in and pushed in sideways. When I first got it, it was working fine. And now it's just trashed. Now it doesn't want to go off. Wow. What is going on? Yep. What a chunk of shit. Oof.